I did the Surgical Implant Placement Course in India. It was mainly word of mouth. I heard some great things about the course, and I knew Johan. He used to be a tutor back in my days when I was still at uni, so we had that connection there already. I guess my main reservation was I wasn't sure how much guidance, how much sort of tutoring I would have, how whether it be one-on-one, whether it be a small group, and how much sort of theory-based it would be. In terms of practical hands-on, I found it really useful. I placed over 12 implants at the end of the day, all freehand, and it was one-on-one tutoring as well. So yeah, that was the greatest part of the course. It definitely was sort of my first major step towards implantology. So after doing that course, I was a bit more comfortable starting the simple single tooth implants, and then from there I was able to sort of build on my knowledge and practical skills from there. I think it's definitely a great introduction or a first step towards the implantology course. You get a lot of hands-on experience with it. You get a feel for what that bone feels like, what soft bone feels like versus hard bone, what to do in each scenario. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.